Hey Rainy One! Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan carrot cake muffins. Yay! So I mixed kamut flour and spelt flour. It's mostly spelt flour. So I'm just gonna give this a mix. Usually I make this in 2 bowls, but anybody got time for that, honey? Look, it's enough for me to wash out with what I'm using right now. So, you know, if you wanna be a good girl, then you can go ahead and put all your wet ingredients into 1 bowl, mix them together, and then add them to your dry ingredients, okay? But I'm not doing that. What I am going to do right now, just kind of make a little well and just start pouring all my ingredients. So there's my milk. I am making a double portion, so everything is doubly. You will be able to go to the website. That's my applesauce. That's my olive oil. And I forgot something. That's what I get for not mixing up stuff together. All right, so, well, I'm gonna mix my dry ingredients now, but I usually mix at least all the dry ingredients first. So, should put that in first, but okay, that's what we got. We got it going on now, okay? That's what we got, that's what we got. All right. And then this is my flaxseed egg mixture, and to that, I'm just going to, I might as well just put it in here. Usually I just kind of mix that. That's my, that is my vanilla extract. So I'm just gonna put all of that in there. Okay. And it looks like I have a little bit of oil looking like you want to get out. So I'm just gonna mix all of this together. So now that's looking how I want it to look. Make sure there's no little floury parts hanging around. All right, so now I'm going to add my carrots and my walnuts. They're chopped pretty big because that's the way my husband likes them. So you just kind of fold those in. And I make such a big batch, even though I'm just making them for 1 person, because I put them in the freezer, because anybody got time to be making muffins I used to make them every week, but now I make them every 2 weeks, sometimes 3 weeks. I'm kidding, because just because I love baking stuff, I'll find something to bake every week at least, but I don't have to. And if I get super busy, I'm not stressed out because my husband doesn't have his muffins, because I don't want him to be going to no store buying muffins and stuff like that, okay? Not when your girl got skills like that, okay? And we know everything that's in here. Even though really, technically this is a cupcake, but we call it muffins around here, okay? Because this is a carrot cake recipe. Okay, so you can take this and you can make a cake, and the icing that I give you the recipe for, this is a carrot cake, and I just make cupcakes out of it, but I'd rather call it muffins, okay? If I'm not using the paper little cups to go in here, then I will use like a coconut oil spray. And I know I need some new pans because these are kind of like hit up. But it is what it is. Whenever you make any muffins or cupcakes, you want to fill it like 3/4 way full. So I'm going to fill the rest of these. I'm going to pop these in the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Every oven is different, so it's going to vary. So give it a check in about 20 minutes. Okay, so we got our muffins out the oven. Yay! And we're just going to put them on a baking rack to let them cool completely. I always wanted to be able to say that. I never usually put them on a baking rack, but it really does help them to cool off evenly. These out, we're gonna let them dry, and then I'm just gonna show you my little icing, my little vegan cream cheese. Yep, icing that I use for just about everything. Okay, and everybody loves it, and it's super easy to make and super versatile. Versatile. Okay, so my muffins / cupcakes have cooled. I'm going to top them off with some lemon vegan cream cheese icing, and I already pre-made this. As you can see, we keep it in the freezer because we freeze the cupcakes, and then when we get ready to eat them, boom, we have this already ready. Okay, so I'm in a rush. Usually I will let this soften up a bit and spread it on, but honey, the sun is about to go down, so we are about to just take one of these cupcakes / muffins. But then I like to sprinkle some just for decorations. Okay. So I know it's cold, but can you give it a taste test, love?
Yeah. Let's see what you're working with here. Let's see.
How's it taste? Did you get some icing? It doesn't look like
Take a big old bite out of it. Yeah. Good for it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like a wonderful carrot cake with walnuts, and the frosting is on point. It really takes it to a different level. Kind of wakes everything up. That's going down right there.
And it's nice and lemony,
Mm-hmm.
cream cheesy.